So, what are my 4 things that a newbie needs to do in order to get prepared for the 2020 cut season? Stay tuned. What up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. And I want to do a quick video on the 4 things that is a must. And this is something that I've said in the past, but just like anything that's good, it is worth repeating. Now, to all my old school people, this video may not be for you, but it might be something in there, because I know one thing: sometimes it's hard to teach an old dog a new trick. So, in this order, I think it's important that you do the following. Number 1, you need to take your business serious by getting a website. And I know a lot of times people say, I ain't about to get no website, I won't get no website. And I'm telling you, you are old, you're dated, and you're not planning on growing. You need a website. Now, at the same time you're building a website, I want you to do these other things, because there's going to be some things that's necessary in order to get your website completed. But the cool thing about a website is that a website is always ever going. It's never done and it's never finished, okay? So while you're getting your website, now my website cost me $1,500. If you want to take a look at that, my website is quickcutslawncare.com. Take a look at it. Hey, if you want to borrow, cheat, just don't steal. That's all I'm saying. It doesn't matter. Now, when you're doing your website, I want you to go ahead and get you a Google number. Get a Google number. Please Google it, Google Voice, and get a number that's really easy to remember. That's going to separate your personal phone calls from your business phone calls. So when you answer the phone, you'll be really professional when you pick it up. Say, hey, this is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care. How can I help you? Etc., etc. Now, this can be done, like I said, just Google the information, YouTube the information, how to get a Google number. Please do it. A lot of people won't do it, and it's free. The next thing you want to do, at the same time you're getting your website finished, you want to do what is called a My Google Business. My Google Business. Now, My Google Business is important because this is how you're going to connect to the millennials, the new people who actually do things on their cell phones. And I'm telling you, that's how they found me. I had this one guy who told me that they've been cutting grass for like almost 10 years. And I said, wow, cool, man. You know, he told me how many clients he got. He asked me, I told him, yeah, I got 100-something clients. He said, how you get 100-something clients? You just getting started. I was like, oh no, I mean, you don't have 100-something? Like, yeah, man, but it took me so long. It's because that person was not doing what's in today. What's in today is people Google lawn care near me. What's so great about My Google Business? You are going to be able to draw a circle around your area, and people gonna know that you exist. And once they realize you exist and you're real, they really be really nice to you by putting your website up on the first page in what they call the snack pack of the businesses. Yeah, Google my name. Well, it probably depends on where you live at, because it is based upon location. I'm gonna tell you to Google my name, and you see where my website pops up. But you if you're not in Conyers, it probably won't pop up where it need to be, which is what's so great about My Google Business. Do that, and make sure when you get My Google Business, you start adding information to your profile, pictures, videos, etc., etc. It makes you more legit. Now, also add reviews. Get your clients. If you got some few clients, hey, you cut the grass from your mama, your cousin, your brother, whomever you done cut grass, tell them, hey man, shoot me a review on how well I did. Give me 5 stars. That makes you legit, y'all. That really does make you legit. The only thing is, when you put yourself out there and you do a bad job, they will find you and give you a negative review. I know I have went out there, did a great job, but then I wouldn't do something, person gave me a doggone 2-star. Go figures. You know, people just don't like if you say no to them. Now, none with that. And the last thing, but not least, you need to get you a lawn care software. My preference is Yardbook. It's other ones out there. If you don't have a software where you can get information in, it's gonna shoot yourself in the foot. Let me tell you why. Number one, I didn't even get all the clients that called me this year, and I probably turned away at least 100 plus clients. Not because I didn't want the job, I was too high, my price was. But so cool about it, I use a software, send them the estimate, and they said no. So I guess next year what I can do is lower the price if I can, if I'm in that location. The key is I got a lead already. I just didn't get them. What can I do to get that lead? This is why you must get a website, because when you do, you can put your website and Yardbook. They can actually be part of the same web page. Go to my website, click on give me a quote. It actually goes through Yardbook to actually give somebody the quote, which is so sweet, because once that information is put in there, it's there forever. And how much money would you pay to get a lead? Well, let me tell you, home advisors trying to get you pay money and you ain't even getting a job. They just giving you the lead. When you can generate your own leads, when people put the information in, send it to you, and you send them a quote. So let me say it again. These are the things you must do in this winter break coming into the spring. Number one, get your website design. Number two, you must have a Google Voice. Number three, you must do Google Business. And number four, you must have a software. You must have it. If you ain't about this business, you ain't about this business. I'm telling you. You want to grow faster than the other guys who don't want to do nothing, who just want to go around and hand out flyers, which I ain't got nothing wrong with handing out flyers, but that's just fishing, and you don't know if there's any fish in the pond. Where I'm telling you, you can get fish that's actually tugging on your string, saying, "Hey, I want you. How much is it?" That's what I'm talking about. So follow those things, and I guarantee you, next year, you if you going solo, you fill it up in no time. In no time, man. If you and somebody else, you probably fill that up in no time either. Because most of the guys in your community, do me a favor, Google lawn care near me and see how many people pop up, and see how many people actually have a website. Not many. Not me. Not in my neighborhood. I don't know. And what's so great about it, people say, I chose you because of your reviews. And I only have like 50 reviews, but that's a whole lot compared to everybody else who got 1, 2, 3, and 14. All right, man. Hope this information is good for you, man. Fam, save this. Give this a thumbs up. Put some comment down. Tell me if I'm right. Tell me something that you will add. Tell me something is a must. Tell me something that you know for a fact that a person needs starting this business off. And hopefully people, you know, if you're coming and watching this video months later, a year later, see what they have to say about a must in order to get yourself going. Cut on, lawn care family. Cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.